Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remove wrinkles and fine lines and get soft glowing white skin naturally. It's a skin whitening and also remove wrinkles and fine lines. It's better than Botox and it's super effective. This remedy will be with tomato and rice, and we need rice like so and grind it fine into a grinder. In order to get rice flour, grind it to a very fine powder in order to get the rice flour. So the first ingredient we need to add two teaspoons of rice flour. يعني كتشاف الكتة. I'm going to leave all the ingredients into the description box. Then we need to add on it a pinch of turmeric powder and mix well the dry ingredients. Now in a clean mixing bowl, we need first to cut the tomato in half. Take one half and shred it to get the tomato puree. In a clean mixing bowl, place the tomato puree like so. Then we need one lemon. Cut it in half and add one fresh lemon juice. Lemon is high in vitamin C, with tomato is bleaching naturally. Mix well the ingredients. Now with the half of the tomato that we saved earlier, dip it into the sauce like so, in the tomato puree and then in the dry ingredients, and now apply it on your skin like so. Massage the skin for 15 minutes. Then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores. And my friends, this removes the wrinkles and fine lines and whiten the skin naturally.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.